You're ready to move on. To get the chapter menu, just point your wand at that glow on the cover and pull the T button. Ready for the next part? Point your wand at Chapter 2, Part 2 and press the Move button. You're ready to move on. Point your wand at Chapter 2, Part 2 and press the Move button. Chapter 2, Part 2. The Revealing Charm. This useful little charm will allow you to uncover messages hidden by other wizards, so pay attention. You should read about this chapter first, or you can just turn the page to start your first spell. The Revealing Charm will reveal invisible ink and messages hidden by magical means. This spell is able to overcome most basic concealment charms, so be warned. Any plans for mischief hidden with invisible ink can easily be uncovered by wizarding parents and teachers alike. That was very revealing. That'll come in handy. Miranda Goshawk has left us another tale about this spell. Pull those glowing words up off the page to hear the story. We're going to hear another wondrous wizarding tale, this time about the power of the revealing. Many magical researchers use invisible ink to hide their work from rivals, so the revealing charm is essential to serious scholars. Famed arithmancer Bridget Wenlock was so protective of her discoveries that she wrote exclusively in invisible ink. Not to mention writing upside down, back to front, and in atrocious handwriting. Wenlock was famous for her absent-mindedness as well as her paranoia, and would often jot notes in invisible ink on, another missing word. What did Bridget write her calculations on? Yes, she would often jot notes in invisible ink on scraps of paper. Before promptly losing them. She could frequently be seen retracing her steps through her hometown of Tinworth, attempting to use the revealing charm on every scrap of paper she came across in search of a lost arithmancy calculation. Wenlock first scribbled down her groundbreaking theorem on the magical properties of the number 7 at breakfast one day, apparently on the back of an envelope, using her usual invisible ink. She then proceeded to send her cousin a letter, using what she later believed to be the very envelope concealing the theorem. What's going to happen? Soon, realizing her mistake, Wenlock seized her broom and managed to overtake the... Overtook what? What is she chasing in this high-speed broom chase? Of course, she managed to overtake the owl carrying the letter in mid-flight. The pair engaged in a fierce mid-air tussle as Wenlock tried to recover the envelope. Post office owls take mail tampering very seriously and will refuse to give up their deliveries to anyone but the addressee. After suffering several nips and scratches, Wenlock resorted to following the owl to her cousin's house in John O'Groats. But after finally retrieving the envelope from her bemused... Whose house was Bridget visiting, can you remember? Yes, she retrieved it from her cousin, but her revealing charm revealed nothing but a cake recipe. Which she had jotted down that morning. She later found the real calculation scrawled on a sugar packet still sitting on her kitchen table. there you have it. Now, are you ready to use the revealing charm to uncover some mysteries of your own?
Turn the page to learn to cast this charm and start uncovering the invisible. Here,